Before they entered our homes, these birds belonged to specific ecosystems across the world. Cockatiels, native to Australia. Lovebirds, native to regions of Africa. Green-cheek conures, native to South America. And pineapple conures, they do not exist in the wild. They are a human-developed color mutation of the green-cheek conure. Understanding this difference matters, because responsible ownership begins with truth. Section 1. Cockatiel, Nymphicus hollandicus, native to Australia's arid and semi-arid regions. They travel in flocks. They depend on social communication for survival. Scientific fact: cockatiels use contact calls to locate flock members. Extended isolation can cause chronic stress. They are ground foragers, meaning diet variety is critical. Captive care implication: they require social interaction, mental stimulation, and structured light cycles, 10 to 12 hours darkness. Section 2. Lovebirds, Agapornis species, native to sub-Saharan Africa. Important truth: not all lovebird species bond for life. The romantic myth is partially exaggerated. However, they are highly social parrots and experience stress when isolated long-term. Common mistake: people assume a single lovebird will be fine alone. Scientifically, prolonged isolation increases behavioral issues. Section 3. Green-cheek conure, Pyrrhura molini, native to forests of Bolivia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay. They live in small flocks. They are intelligent and adaptive. Scientific facts: they use frequent contact calls in the wild. Silence in captivity can indicate stress. They require environmental enrichment rotation. Minimum cage width must allow full wing extension without touching bars. Section 4. Pineapple conure, captive mutation. Pineapple conure is not a wild species. It is a selectively bred mutation combining cinnamon gene, yellow-sided gene. Care requirement is identical to green-cheek conure. Ethical note: because they are captive bred, responsible breeding standards matter significantly. Genetic health screening is essential. Exotic birds are not decorations. They are intelligent, social beings with evolutionary histories tied to specific ecosystems. At Aves Aureae, we believe luxury means responsibility, and responsibility begins with truth.